think I'm doing it. I think I'm going to Oregon right now. That's Washington. That's Oregon. A train. I am now at the Oneonta Gorge. Oneonta? No idea how to say that. I don't really have any information on what I'm about to do. I'm gonna just find the next person who is also hiking and talk to them and hopefully get some information on what I'm getting myself into. Okay. Gotta get that dog. It's so cute. So I made it to the log jam, but I kind of wanted to go hiking. So I'm like debating if I want to go see it. What's on the other side? Jeez Louise. I forfeit. I saw too many people slipping and getting hurt. It's also so heavily trafficked right now that it's annoying, and it doesn't allow me to take the time that I would want to take in order to feel safe. And third reason, lots of teamwork happening. I see a lot of teamwork. This is not the thing to do solo, or maybe not with it this crowded, I don't know. But I made it pretty far and it's very, very cool. But this is not a hike. It's definitely a swim. Another time, I hope. Horsetail Falls. Just a few blocks up from where I was, the gorge. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna see if there's a decent hike I can find right around here. Bat friends, they need our help. They are all dying. And if the bats die, then they cannot be my spirit animal, because you cannot have a spirit animal that is a dinosaur. We must save the bats. That's my bat voice. I haven't used my bat voice in a while. Okay, this is indeed the trailhead I was looking for the gorge. I just have to take it through a bunch of, oh wow, that's a big spider. Yeah, this is the Upper Horsetail Falls. I just have to go through here, up another like mile, I think, and then I will get to the Gorge Trail, which I hear is quite excellent. So This is awesome. Yeah, I found it. Yay, it took a second.
After brunch, we take a nap at my sofa, baby. Put our feet up, it feels so good. Watch some TV, maybe. We'll go out, walk on the beach, hot and sandy, baby. Watch the sunset, swear that it will be forever, baby.
That's the gorge. If you go up this way, that's where I was earlier. So people, you know, hop the logs and go waist deep, and then they come to this waterfall. Look at them, they're so far down. That's so cool. I broke my tripod. I think I just found fall. That makes me really sad. Why are there leaves on the ground? Why are there golden leaves on the ground? Took the trail all the way down to that bridge. Holy moly! This is amazing. What an awesome hike. I hopped that, and that freaked me out because, you know, so close to death. I'm shaking a little bit right now. I'm a bit nervous up here. Worth it! I am on top of a triple waterfall. Ah! Yeah, I'm not gonna vlog the way back. I'll see you guys back at the car. I'm just gonna like chill out. It's nice and quiet up here. It's been a lot of crowds all day today, so it's really nice to get away from it all. And what a way to do it, too. Good hike. My check engine light is on for the first time on this trip. Like, what am I supposed to do about it? I don't want to take Minnie into the doctor again. I just took her in. I don't know. Get married on that. And before you ask me why I'm not going to the bridge, I am so tired from that hike and I'm starving. Like, I need like a good solid meal, so I think I'm gonna go somewhere. That is so cool. Like, literally, I want to get married in an Elvish dress on that bridge. That would be so cool. Oh, that's the first time I've said that. Ugh.
And I need you, and I miss you, and now I wonder.
Well, I'm gonna end today's video right now. Yeah, thanks to everybody who watched and enjoyed this video, and a huge thank you to Maddie, my newest Patreon. Thank you so much for your pledge. Super pumped to be here, super excited for my next adventure, and I'll see you guys there. All right, bye.